Hey everyone, it's me again, Alexa. So I wanted to just jump on here really quick. It's not going to be a long update. The last time I posted a video, it was for fundamentals for success in business. I wanted to give an update on D196, which is the Principles of Financial and Managerial Accounting course. I started this course on the 3rd and I finished it by the 14th. This course was a little bit more challenging than I thought that it would be as an introductory course. My degree program is for accounting. So I wasn't expecting it to be a big challenge, but I just wanted to give like a little bit of insight on what to expect. This is not one of those courses that you can get through in a day or two, and you cannot get through this course by just watching the cohort videos. You actually have to read the material. So the reason why I'm saying that is because this is the first course that I've had to take an OA twice. So I just want to give like a quick overview of what my experience was. And then I just want to give any like little tips that's helpful for you guys that are looking to take this class. So, like I said, if you're trying to accelerate through, I would do a different approach than if you're actually trying to, take your time. If you have no accounting background and you're going for the accounting degree, I would definitely give yourself a week to 2 weeks to get through this class. If you don't have any background in accounting and you're looking to get your bachelor's degree, this is like a core introductory class that I'm guessing you're going to need to remember some of the information that you're going to learn for the more advanced courses that are going to come up later on. So I wouldn't skim through, I would learn the material. If you're looking to accelerate, like I am, I would say that the best way to approach it is to read the summaries for each chapter, watch all the embedded videos, take all of the quizzes for each module and the unit tests. Don't move forward unless you get an 80% or higher. There's 2 reasons why I recommend that. The first reason is it kind of gives you an idea, kind of like your performance assessment, on where you need to spend more time studying. The second reason why I'm saying that is because I wasn't aware that if you don't pass the OA on the first try, you can't just schedule right away on your own to retake the second time. Your course instructor will build a study plan, and once you meet whatever those expectations are that they set, then they will approve you to retake. So I got caught up in that. When I took it the first time, I really struggled with the manufacturing portion of the exam, which was a large portion. I didn't realize how much of it was going to be geared around that. So I had like a general overview of most of the information that I thought was going to be covered. I really thought I was going to need to memorize the equations, which is almost impossible to do that in just a few days. But it really wasn't necessary for the first attempt. So I would say to have that approach, because when I didn't pass the first time, the second time part of my study plan to retake the second time was to take every single module quiz and unit test and pass with at least an 80. The professor was not going to let me take my second attempt unless all of those things were met. So I would just take that approach, and that way, if you don't pass, at least you don't have so much to go back to. I didn't realize that the professors had access to see, what material you read, if you participated in the quizzes, if you, did the unit test. I didn't know that that was something that they had access to, but they do. So just so you know, they can see if you don't pass. They can see like if you actually went in and read the material, or if you just went in and tried to take it. So be mindful of that. Again, this is my third class that I'm taking, so I'm still new to figuring all of this out. So that's just a little tip for you guys that are coming into the program and you're new as well. So I would do that. And then the PA, is it close to the OA? No, it's not close. It's just as challenging. When I did the OA, there was an Excel portion that I missed because I was skimming through once again. There are built-in Excel exercises within the textbook. I missed it because I was just skimming. And I wasn't prepared for that portion of it when I did the OA the first time. I would definitely focus on that. It's actually pretty simple to pick it up. It shouldn't really take that much time if you are familiar with Excel, once you get, the idea of it, it's pretty much just following that, routine when you take the OA. So I would definitely try to focus on the summary. If you don't want to read the entire chapter, watch all of the videos, because there's little nuggets of information in the embedded videos in the textbook that comes up on the OA. I noticed on my second attempt, I was really nervous that a couple of days went by between the first attempt and the second attempt. I thought I was going to lose a lot of the information that I crammed in my mind when I did the second attempt, but the second attempt was actually easier than the first one. It was almost like it just focused on the areas that I was like weak on when I did the first attempt. So I was actually quite relieved that I didn't have a lot of questions that required me to memorize the different equations that come up, because that is my weak point in math. So I was really relieved about that. But I would say to go in with the mindset of actually retaining this, especially if you are, like I said, in the accounting program. You're definitely going to need to know a lot of this information for the more advanced courses. So yeah, this definitely was a class that I was almost in shock when I passed the second attempt. I was shocked, and then I was relieved. It definitely had me second guessing if this was something that I was going to continue with, which is crazy to say because, I do have a background in accounting. I've worked in accounting for a few years now, so I was quite surprised at how much of a challenge it was for me. But I work in more of like a PEO setting. This was heavily focusing on manufacturing, which I don't have a lot of experience with, and just knowing the different the different ways that you can account for, goods, cost of goods, just being, knowledgeable on the vocabulary. So I just wanted to do like a quick update on how that class went, what to look for, how to approach it. Don't try and rush through it, and just good luck. And if you guys have any questions, let me know. I'm going to leave another link with a Quizlet for this class, what helped me with the vocabulary. And again, good luck on the course. And I'm going to post another video for my next upcoming class. Keep you guys posted on that. Take care.